What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teach Chinese online. We're learning Chinese. There's no way you can escape from learning Chinese characters. If you want to learn Chinese characters in a better and more logical way, here are a few things that you should know. Here we go. Number 1. 六书, the 6 categories of Chinese characters. In traditional etymology, Chinese characters are classified into 6 different categories of character composition and usage. They are called 六书. Number 1, 象形, which are just the simple drawings of the objects we see. For example, 山 and 木. Number 2, 指示, which expresses an abstract idea through an iconic form. For example, 本, 木 with one more stroke in the lower half, and 末, the reverse of 本, 木 with one more stroke in the upper half. Number 3, 会意, which are compounds of 2 or more pictographic or ideographic characters to express a new meaning. For example, 林 is composed of 2 mu, and 生 is composed of 3 mu. Number 4, 形声, compounds with both phonetic and somatic elements. Typically, the radical conveys the meaning, while the other element is for phonetic purpose. For example, this character mu is 水 plus mu. This is a verb meaning to bathe. The radical on the left provides the meaning, and mu provides the sound. Number 5, 转注. A character has been influenced by another character that shares a radical, etymology, and similar pronunciation. Only a small number of characters belong to this category. For example, 考 and 老 used to have similar pronunciations in Old Chinese. 考 was also the old character to be old, and based on etymology, it depicts an old man with long hair that is bent over. 老 with a can, 考. Number 6, 假借, which borrow the characters with similar sounds to be their characters. For example, 北 originally meant back, and it's an ideograph that depicts 2 people sitting back to back, one facing the north and one facing the south. The pronunciation was then borrowed for the current character that is used for back, 背. Number 2, 常見的部首, common Chinese radicals. Every Chinese character consists of 偏旁 as well as 部首, which indexes and implies the meaning of a character. 部首 are used for classifying characters with similar or related meanings, and they are also used for indexing in Chinese dictionaries. This means that you are able to look up a character even if you don't know its pronunciation. A 部首 may be located at the top, bottom, left, right, inside, or outside of a character. Here are some common radicals for your reference. Radical 人, for example, 你, 他, 信. Radical 女, for example, 她, 信, 好. Radical 日, 早, 新, 明. Radical 口, 吃, 吗, 吧. Radical 为, 回, 国, 遠. Radical 心, 忙, 思, 望. Radical 手, 打, 找, 指. Radical 目, 看, 眼, 睛. Radical 月, 有, 朋, 齐. Radical 言, 說, 話, 語. Radical 食, 飯, 飽, 餓. Radical 土，在地坐。Radical 水，河流洗。Radical 火，
烤
煮热。Radical 木，林森树。Radical 被，买賣貴。Radical 草，花茶菜。Radical 竹，筆地算。Radical 金，錢銀表。Radical 玉，王玩球。
Number 3. 典型的結構 Typical character structures.
Chinese characters may look complicated, but we can still simplify and classify them into 12 typical structures. Number 1, an individual square. For example, 山. Number 2, two components, one above and one below. For example, 要. Number 3, two components, one left and one right. For example, 你. Number 4, one component at the upper right corner. For example, 這. Number 5, one component at the lower left corner. For example, 可. Number 6, one component at the lower right corner. For example, 麼. Number 7, one component surrounded by another one. For example, 回. Number 8, three components stacked on top of each one. For example, 等. Number 9, three components from left to right. For example, 謝. Number 10, one component surrounded from above. For example, 開. Number 11, one component surrounded from the left. For example, 區. Number 12, one component surrounded from below. For example, 凶.
Number 4, 永字八法 8 principles of 永.
When practicing characters, you have to be familiar with the basic 8 stroke principles, and you can find all of the stroke types 筆畫 in the character 永. They are 側、樂、弩、替、側、略、拙、者. Try practicing 永 every time before practicing characters. You will be amazed.
Number 5, 怎麼練習寫字 How to practice characters.
There are many ways you can practice characters. Here is how I would advise my students if they don't want to buy any writing books. First of all, make yourself a sheet like this. Secondly, add the characters that you want to practice. Thirdly, lower the opacity, change it into a light gray color, and print the sheet out. Now you can practice the characters by writing above them. Also, don't forget to follow the correct stroke order, which will help you to write your characters more efficiently when you have to write a lot of them. I will share a link that introduces the stroke order along with animation in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope my brief introduction helps you know more about Chinese characters. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!